something you need to know. Nothing I can say phone to phone. I'll tell you something, we have to sit close. You're the one that I miss the most. I've heard that you're happy, and maybe it's selfish of me to want you back this time. I know we decided it's better if we both were free, but it kills me now. We said our last goodbye. Won't you stay tonight, even just for a moment? Perfect light.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bagbak Beach. Ayan, samahan niyo ako.